Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to stop TikTok from finding your contacts, how you can deactivate, disable and that option. So the only thing you need to do is go to TikTok, and here in TikTok you need to go to their profile. And here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. And here in that panel, what you got, you need to go to the last option where settings and privacy. So in this part, you need to go to the option of privacy. And here you need to pick Insign, Contacts, and Facebook Friends. So here, I got this option activated, but if you want to deactivate that option, the only thing you need to do is pick here where set sign contacts in the blue switch. You deactivate that option and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.